Alright, so we're going to go through how to install Content Manager and get all that running. So first things first, obviously, you're going to need Assetto Corsa. Go buy it, get it all downloaded and installed. Then you will need Content Manager. So go to here, or just Google Content Manager. Just basically another interface that loads the game instead of using the shitty loader that it comes with. So download that. It's just an exe file. Just dump it either in a location of your choice. I've actually just got mine on the desktop, or you can put it inside the Steam folder for the game. So if you go to here and go, where is it? Properties, browse local files. That'll take you to where it's installed, and you can literally rename this one and pop that one in there and call it assettocorsa.exe, and then it'll just load that every time instead of the other one. Either way, it works, so all good. Now, when you fire it up, takes a little while. There we go. So it'll load up to where you last were. So for me, it goes directly to my online setup, and these are my servers that I've saved, which are my servers. But it would normally load up into just your normal screen. So single player mode, go quick, career, or championship, depending on what you want to do. You got cars all listed out, nice and easy to see. Makes things very easy to understand what's going on. It's you can you've got your tracks. You can pick a different track if you want. Got all your different weather and everything. Now I've installed some mods. Now the good thing about this is mods. You basically just drag them in, or you can say install here, and it'll install the mods for you. It makes mods very simple then, because that can be a bit tricky sometimes. And when you go and want to grab one of our mods, so if we jump onto the link I sent everyone, go and grab that. Copy link. All right, so if you navigate to that link I sent in the chat, and I'll put it on the webpage or something as well so we can easily get it. So this is all our Assetto shit that we've collected and popped on the server. Now, I would recommend majorly to install Soul. It makes the game basically brand new, completely fix all the lighting and texturing and materials. It looks amazing, like a brand new game. Very easy to do. I believe if you just search this and it goes to the race department one, there is a basic guide of how it works, but it's with Content Manager you pretty much just drag the folder in there and it fucking installs it. Boom. And so then under settings now, if you go into your custom shaders, you will see all the different stuff that it installed to make the weather really cool, and all your lighting and everything, which is just really cool. So yeah, here's Soul. So that lets me change all the different weather details. I've also got this thing, which is their weather FX. I haven't fully set it up yet, but this works with Soul to create rain and stuff, which is even cooler. But yeah, they go into detail about that here as well. So they talk about rain FX and things if you want to install that as well. And it looks amazing. Really does change the game quite a lot. It's pretty much mandatory. So that's all there. The light patch are there as well. Now under cars, these are all the ones we've added in. Now we try to keep them updated because they do run out of date if they get updated. So I try to update them. I've added a few here from Patreon. These are some classic ones that we might be interested in, like VKs and the Tiranas and everything. So literally just download the folder, drag it into here, and it installs it. Away you go. Makes it really easy. Obviously tracks. The big thing about Assetto, people make so many tracks. So there's literally every single supercars track in Australia, and then all sorts of other ones that we've been grabbing. And then we've got the stuff Jeff's been doing. So these are the Grand Prix cars, the old school mad ones. So you chuck those in. And then the old school tracks as well. He's even collected all these mad original Grand Prix tracks. Very cool. We've got some cars that we're working on because you can make your own cars. This is really fun. This guy's basically building slowly this massive area of Japan. So got mad Japanese cars to go with it. So a lot of fun there. What else? V8 Scorza, that's just the full download for the V8 stuff, but it's all in there already. And yeah, you can actually alter the cars as well. There's mods to make the cars any stuff you want. So like if you want to put a big cam in a SS, you can. It's really cool. So basically, you drag them in and you install them, and that all comes under your content. So all gets kept in here. So these are the tracks I've currently got installed. That's that 1988 one that we wanted to do for Brad, and there's the Langford 67 one that we're using for Jeff, and obviously cars. And each car has paints that you can go and modify yourself if you're really keen. And you can make it bigger. You can also bring up the showroom, which is really cool. Let you see like a 3D model of the car. Some of these models are just insanely detailed. The guys do good work. I think they pull a lot of them from Forza and stuff like that. But yeah, it's pretty damn cool. Like I love this one, the old XD, the XP. It's like a VK. Get it in the right colors and stuff. Pretty cool. In fact, yeah, there's Brocky's one. That's pretty fucking cool. VL Skylines. Yeah, you get the picture. Lots of cool shit. Right, and then to go online, obviously we go back to, so there's all these different things you can do in here, like you can get all your lap times and everything. So you go to drive, we want to go back to online, and I've bookmarked these servers, but if you don't have them bookmarked, you start here at Kunos, which loads all the servers that are currently running in Assetto Corsa, and then you can search. I try to name all of ours to start with 7ES, so if you do a search for 7ES, it should hopefully bring them up. It can be a little bit finicky, but you just refresh a few times and they should be found eventually. Maybe try searching for, I don't know, Bathurst. See what that brings up. Yeah, there it is, 7ES Bathurst. For some reason the 7ES is being a bit weird. But anyway, that's your server. So I just bookmark them. So down here you can go favorite. That way when you just go to favorites from then on, and all the favorites are right there ready to go. You just click on which one you're interested in doing. So let's say you want to do some supercars. Come over here. Click on, say, I don't know if you guys would be potentially a Commodore or a Falcon, oh, sorry, Mustang, wherever it is. There it is. Got your paint jobs and stuff, and you can go and do all your little settings and shit. And then obviously pick your track, whichever track you want to do. Oh, sorry, actually no, this is set because it's an online server. Not thinking very straight. So this is set by the server, so that's why it's good with the MAD page that we've got. I'll be able to set these up and have them mimicked on here. So there's nothing you have to actually set up. It's just ready to go. And then you click join and it'll load it up. Very, very easy. Makes Assetto actually pretty simple to do. So see how you go, and hopefully we'll see you on there and putting some times on the board.